POV when your hen thinks she's a parrot. This is what she does is when somebody comes in the pen, right away she jumps on your shoulder. She thinks she's a parrot.
Polly wants a cracker.
Little girl, you think you special or something? Huh? You think you special? You a mess. Need to just get this pipe out of here because it don't stay hanging nowhere. That unless we connect it in the middle run right here. Look at this thing. Hi, sweet girl. Hi.
What, nothing?
Let me borrow some of this feed if you don't mind. Oh, I want to spoil her. She's the one. Come on, mama. Come on, mama. Ow, little boy, why you gotta bite so hard? Ow, you little greedy thing. Hey, mama. Ow, boy, stop biting so hard.